Hi everyone, welcome back. Um, yes, this is the fourth Sudoku of today's newspaper of Thursday, May the 7th, and it's a binary puzzle. And let me count first: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there's always a 4 ones and 4 O's. Yes, so let's get started. Alright, with here a double one, here an O, and there an O. A double O, here and one, there one. A double O, here and one, and there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's in this row, so the rest are ones. Double one, here an O, and then O. And then between two ones comes an O. We have 4 O's now in this column, so the rest are ones. Double one, here an O, and then O. Between two O's comes an 1. And then double O, here and 1. Then 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, then 1. Double 1, here and O, then O. Double O, here and 1, then 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, then 1. Double 1, here and O, then O. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. I cannot place the fourth one here, otherwise we have 3 O's in the column in a row, so this should be an O. How about 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And then I think I need to compare. Yes. Yeah, I think I need to compare now. Oh, 10. Okay, how about 1, 1. Yes, this column and the second column. Let's compare 1, 1, 1, 1, empty box, 1, 1, empty box. So this digit and that digit I need to switch, otherwise if I fill here an O, then the other one with the 1, then I have identical columns. So this should be in 1 and this should be in O. We have 4 O's now in this row, so the rest are ones. double one here and O, then O, double O here and one, then one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Finish in 5 minutes. All right. Do you like this binary Sudoku? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching again, and I see you later with the last Sudoku of today's newspaper in the additional tectonic, aka Suguru. So see you then. Thank you and bye bye now.